Hey, this is just a quick video on how to repair your wheel on a Blackstone culinary grill. So one of my wheel fell off, and you cannot actually screw back on, and because the nut inside the leg uh, came off, so you cannot screw it as you're supposed to without the nut inside if it comes off. So what I did, there's a couple option. Option one, you can register your Blackstone grill, then contact customer support, and they will try to order you a new leg. However, the new leg will is not like in stock, so it's going to take like about 2 to 3 months for it to arrive. So what I did was I went to Lowe's and I bought um, this drill, and which it just attached it to my screw gun. Then what I did was I just drilled a hole on the leg itself. From there, from the leg itself, then from there you can reach down and retrieve the nut that came off, and just hold it down while you screw back the wheel itself. Then once that is done, once you screw back the wheel, you can just buy these something like this. It's like a cover based on the size of drill that you use. So I use like a 1 1/4 round. So just gonna grab this and pop it in the hole. And so now every time my wheel pop off, I can just pop this cover back out and screw back on. I understand it's probably a bad design flaw from Blackstone. I'm pretty sure they're aware of it, but that is the way to basically fix that problem.